National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cedar County, northwestern Muscatine County, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Branch, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tipton, West Branch, Stanwood, West Liberty, Loudoun, Bennett, Atalissa, Rochester, Buchanan, Clarence, Springdale, Cedar Valley, Muscatine County Fairgrounds, Massillon Park, Cedar Bluff, Bennett Park, Sunbury, Cedar Valley Park, Herbert Hoover National Historic Site, and Tipton Matthews Airport. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 254 and 278. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now.